Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add order on WhatsApp button on product page in Shopify. If you want to claim the current best deal of $1 for the first 3 months, check out the link in the description below. Adding a WhatsApp button to your Shopify product page allows customers to contact you directly via WhatsApp. Follow these steps. Step 1. Create a WhatsApp link. Go to the WhatsApp Click to Chat link generator. Then, use the following format to create your link, like this. Replace your phone number with your phone number in international format, and replace your message with a custom message. Example, I'm interested in this product. Step 2. Customize your Shopify. Log into your Shopify. Go to Online Store and Theme. Then find your active theme and click Actions or the 3 dots. Then tap on Edit Code. Now, go to the template.liquid or go to the Sections or Templates folder. And locate the product.liquid. Scroll to the area where you want to display the WhatsApp button. Example, near the Add to Cart button. Then add the following HTML code, like this. Now replace the URL with your WhatsApp link. Step 4, optional, dynamically add product details. If you want the WhatsApp message to include the product name automatically, update the link as follows. And then, save and preview. Click Save in the right corner in your theme editor. Then go to the product page to ensure the WhatsApp button is displayed and works as expected. Now, click the button to your product page and verify it redirects to WhatsApp with the correct message pre-filled. By following these steps, your product pages will feature a functional WhatsApp button for easy customer communication. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.